Hello, I'm Byron. I'm the developer of the cardioStatsUSA R package and Shiny application. And today I'm going to show you how to use this Shiny application to reproduce results from a previous study. This particular study is a report from authors at the CDC. It was published in the NCHS Data brief back in 2017. So what we're going to be replicating is figure 2. And it shows age-adjusted prevalence of hypertension among adults 18 and over by sex and race back in 2015 through 2016. So to do this, we need to do a couple of specific things with our code. And I'm going to show you that code here. It's not going to be not going to go through it in too much detail. Essentially, we just modify our code or modify our data set to give us the exact same age variable and the exact same cohort as the authors at the CDC used when they created their report. And so that's what I've done here to run this app locally. And so you can see I'm running the app locally with my own customized NHANES data and my own customized NHANES key. Now, when I do this, I'm able to run this app locally so that I can use my own specific data set. And now I'm just going through the process of putting in the inputs that we need to replicate this figure. And so one thing that we need to do is use the exact same weights as the authors do in their report. And that's what I'm doing here. So I'm putting in the exact same weights as the authors of the NCHS report so that we can do age adjustment as the figure indicates. Now I'm going to pick the 2015 through 2016 NHANES cycle. I'm just going to analyze this one cycle. I don't need to restrict the analysis to subpopulations because, well, I actually did that when I was creating that customized NHANES data set. So for the outcome, I'm going to pick hypertension, and I'm going to go to hypertension defined by the JNC7 guideline. This is consistent with what the CDC authors did. I'm going to stratify my results here, and I'm going to be stratifying on both race groups and sex groups to get the same results as the figure. So I think all those inputs are right. So I'm going to compute my results. And you're going to see here that I've got 5 race groups. In the CDC report, they only did 4 race groups. And so now I think we're going to have a match here. So let's take a look. We got results for men, hypertension, 29.7, 40.6, 28.7, and 27.3. Here we have 29.6, 40.6, 28.7, 27.3. So that's an exact match. Okay, good. Now we're going to look at the results for women, 25.6, 39.9, 21.9, and 28.0. 25.6, 39.9, 21.9, and 28.0. Great, we have an exact match there again. And to get this total column, I believe all we need to do is not stratify by gender here. So I can just get rid of this second stratification variable, recompute the results. So now we're not looking at results separately for men and women. We get 27.8, 40.3, 25.0, and 27.8. 27.8, 40.3, 25.0, and 27.8. So there you have it. Well, with a little bit of pre-processing of the data, we can use the Shiny application to replicate a totally independent study completed by different authors, and the results are strikingly similar.